Thank you for registering for a Centre for Mental Health Education workshop, webinar or online course. The Centre for Mental Health Education manages all CPD activities of the Australian DBT Institute and Essentia Health. This video will help explain how to access your online campus for mental health professionals. So first of all, go to your email, and you would have received an email that says add a password to your new account at Centre for Mental Health Education. So simply click the link here, which will take you to a window with a blue screen, and then type your password that you would like, any password that you can remember. And the good thing is that if you don't remember your password, then you can actually reset it at any time. Press OK. This is the screen that you'll be sent to. And you can see that continue is only listed on one of these panels. These are all of our online courses, including the webinar programs that have been pre-recorded. The live webinars you get sent to our GoToWebinar site. But all of the information from these GoToWebinars and live webinars, as well as recorded webinars, are available on this online campus for mental health professionals. So simply press continue, and that will take you to the welcome screen. And so the welcome screen's got a whole lot of information. And if you press this overview of CMHE's CPD portal, you'll find a whole range of instructions related to this website.